Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today is a nice day, as you guys can tell. It's not warm, don't let the sun fool you, it's actually pretty cold. But nonetheless, as you can tell, we're going to clean our valve covers today. And then we're going to spray them red. So I end up getting just your basic red. I think it's like mix primer as well. So no rust, we'll definitely do that. Give the engine bay a better look, because this doesn't cut it right here. So yeah, we're just gonna wash this, clean it real nice, scrub it, and kind of just get everything ready, and then we'll just paint it and see how it looks installed. So that's kind of it for the video today, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so the sun is now gone. I've been sanding this down for like ever, because the right side valve cover has been sitting for such a long time. There's a lot of stuff on there, and the driver's side is good. So I sand everything. I'm gonna wash it again, go put it on the heater, make sure everything's dry, and then we can go in the garage, start laying down some paint on it. But yeah, woo! That was a lot of work. If anything, you guys are better off getting this sandblasted than doing this. So yeah, I'm not sure if it's cheaper to get it sandblasted than actually sanding it down yourself at home. Alright guys, so I heated them up, they're all good, went through them, everything's smooth. So what we're going to do is prime it, paint it, and we should be good to go from there. The little fittings on the top, we're going to get rid of those, so no worries about paint getting on those. We're not going to use them since we're going to run catch can, because if you're going to boost it, you know, better safe than sorry, and not have a lot of pressure in the crankcase. So nonetheless, let's prime this bad boys, and yeah, let's do it. Kind of how they're looking, not too bad. So and it's not really that warm out here, so not not the ideal time to be painting, but nonetheless it's looking good. Just maybe like two and a half layers of primer, and then I'll spray the paint on there, kind of make sure I don't miss the edges and then none of that stuff. So I'm sure it'll turn out good once all done. I think that valve cover has a lot of dings and stuff like that, so not the best valve covers. So you know, maybe later down the line I'll find some pretty good valve covers that are in better shape than this. But you know, you got to work with what you have, and this is what I got. So now we're just gonna let that dry, and then we can add our paint on there, our red. And once all that dries, we should be good to go. Alright guys, so it's all dry. We're gonna go ahead, oh, why's this sagging like that, and spray our paint, and we should be getting done here. It's dark, like, look at that, dark. And bam, look at that, guys. So I'm happy with how it came out. It's kind of close up for you guys. I have nothing to hide. Oh, careful. I need to be careful. So yeah. Definitely looks good. So let's mark up that intake side real quick that I need to do, and let's see how it looks. So kind of idea how it's gonna look. That valve cover being painted definitely makes a big difference. Big difference for sure. Yeah, we'll take it as tomorrow for sure. I just need a couple things so I can drill in here. And yeah, but it's looking good. I'm happy. All of that came out good. It was looking like this. It's how it took so long just to get that all cleaned, sanded down. So if you guys are doing this, best thing to do, oh, like I said, we're getting rid of this, so this will be gone. Don't worry about it. Just gotta pop them out, and we'll get some other fittings for our catch can. But nonetheless, if you guys are doing this, get yourself some gasoline. Let it sit in there. It'll break up all the oil and everything. If it's already been painted, it'll break the paint off. Get some brake cleaner. And then you guys, after you got all the dirt and everything off, you can then sand it down and paint it, or get it sandblasted. That was my mistake. Is yeah, I did it the longer way, which took forever. You guys just don't do it the way I did, but it still turned out pretty good nonetheless. So if you do it this way, the outcome is still gonna look nice. So he's gonna wait tomorrow, let this thing dry some more, and then we'll see how it looks. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Catch you tomorrow.